What up, tubers? It's a gorgeous Saturday. I'm out here on the bike, and today's practice day. I'm going to hit a lot. I'm going to try to mess around with wheelies in different gears, different clutch pops, you know, just trying to practice a little bit. What's up, dude? And see if I can get some gains here. Guy in the Jeep was saying, what's up? When I had my 2005 KTM, and I talk about it all the time because I'm comparing it to this bike, okay? Second gear was my wheelie gear of choice. On this bike, gear 3 is my gear of choice. At least for now. A buddy of mine told me about this lot back here, and I knew about one of them. I didn't know about the second one. Actually, I used to work back here, and actually did some fucking side work back here this morning. Made some money. That was a fail. See, that felt really good. I have not wheelied this bike in supermoto form like that, not one time yet. Wow, that felt good. That was second gear. And I was explaining in the last video, it's all about that clutch pop-up. I like to start off a little on the slower side. I think that first little mishap, I was in fucking first gear. All right, here we go. We're doing a second gear. See, I'm chasing it out. I don't want to do that. Why is it doing that? I'm going too slow. I guess I just can't do that slow RPM type wheelies. I don't know. It freaking sucks. That was a lot smoother pop-up. Nice, dude, nice. I can rock with this. Okay, I need to get moving a little bit quicker and not be like at a dead stop. Okay, that felt pretty fucking good. Maybe like 15 mile an hour. Yeah. How do you fucking slow it down? How do you get it up to the point where you can slow it down? It's like, but I don't understand. Well, that actually wasn't too bad. That actually wasn't too bad because I pulled it up and I was dragging the brake, but I dragged it like a cunt hair too soon. But it's okay to be safe about it. Alright, I'm kind of slowing it down. Fuck yeah, that was decent. That was decent, tubers. Holy crap. All I need is a little parking lot practice. It's a nice little strip right there, dude. I'm not gonna lie, I'm still a little nervous doing this, but I just wish I could go a little bit slower. But I guess sometimes you just gotta pick yourself up by the balls, you know what I'm saying? And I told you guys I'd do a 4K video this time. Well, you're watching in 4K, baby. And if you're not, change your settings. Okay, so I'm liking second gear a lot better. I'm not even gonna fuck with third gear. Now guys, okay, from all the times you've seen me on this bike, from brand new to dual sport form to supermoto form, have you ever seen work like that? I'm even surprised. Holy shit. Hey, but hey, you know, you ain't gonna fucking get better sitting on the fucking couch playing video games. You gotta get out here and fucking put in the work. I guess just for good measure, I'll do a third. This is like what I do on the street. But this proves I can do it in second gear on the street, but I gotta be at like the 15 mile per hour range. Yeah! Woo! I ain't no wheelie chaser no more, yo! I've definitely been a wheelie chaser, but dude, balance point multiple times there. It's a good day. Oh shit. Where to go? Where to go? I need me a Red Bull at some point too, though. I might be getting a new caliper for up front here. That's the MotoMaster caliper. It's black. My boy Alex down the street, who told me about that lot. He got a an 18 450 FX Yamaha, I think it is, or YZ 450 FX. I think it's something like that. Anyway, he went and got himself a MotoMaster front brake caliper for his bike, but it's orange. I guess he got it secondhand used, and he asked me if I wanted to trade. It should be the exact same thing, but I think the orange will look better on this bike and the black will look better on his bike. So he came out with the idea, pitched it to me. I might go for it. We'll see, we'll see. Man, I'm not gonna lie, that wheelie sesh felt really fucking good, tubers. I was still a little sketched out, but I don't think I'm beyond like the thought of falling yet. I mean, no one wants to take a spill, but I think what I did get over was, okay, if I drop the bike, whatever, you know, you can always replace stuff, and I'm done being like, oh, this bike is like so brand new, it's a virgin, I don't want to fuck with it. No. I don't want to think like that anymore. It's my main ride. I'm riding it. I bought it to fucking ride it, not fucking just let it sit in my garage and talk about it when I'm out at the bar. No. Ain't about that life. Yo, but listen, there is something that I didn't get to actually explain to you guys, which happened at the end of last video, and I kind of put it in the description. I mean, I highly doubt anybody read it. This bike has 1,822 miles on it. By the time I got done that ride, like 2 weeks ago, it was somewhere around 1,700 and change, right? Well, something happened when I approached the Chick-fil-A drive-thru. All of a sudden, my RPMs went up a little bit, and I ended up stalling it when I left the Chick-fil-A drive-thru because the bike felt funny. It really did. It was like coasting more after you let off the throttle, kind of like a carbureted bike. So the best way I can explain this is, when you would get on the throttle and let off, this bike would have serious engine braking, and it almost felt abnormal to me, but I didn't think it was an issue or something weird, because I'm like, oh, I'm going from a carbureted bike to a fuel injected bike, so you kind of get that nice engine braking, and where a carbureted bike kind of coasts. Well, that severe engine braking that I was experiencing is now decreased by like 50%. And when I thought about it, I'm like, maybe that's why my wheelies have been such trash on this bike, because every time you let off the throttle a fucking cunt hair, the front end wants to drop down, and then you go to rip on the throttle to bring it back up, and you're either doing one of these or it just doesn't fucking work out. And I think my theory is correct, because did you see those fucking wheelies back there? I mean, shit. So with all that being said, I'm thinking my bike is finally broken in. Like maybe the ring's seated, or I don't know. I really can't explain it. Maybe the engine's just like less tight or something. The motor just felt tight, you know, when you would give it gas and it would decel, and now it's a lot more relaxed, and you don't get that front end dip as soon as you let off the throttle. So, you know, that's a little bit of a starting point back there. I still want to get it to the point where I can pop it up and go straight to fucking rear brake, you know? And then that way I can like let off the throttle. It's just, it's whacking the throttle that fucking hard is a little sketchy. But, you know, I can pop it up and just give it a little bit to get the balance point and just kind of coast it right there, you know. I need more seat time. I just gotta keep this shit going. I've been riding my bike a lot in the last month, and this is just beginning of the season. And I think once FMF restocks their mufflers and I get one of those on here, and you know, a fuel controller finally, the throttle response is going to be even better. I'm just wheeling the bike in stock form, but it's all good. Oh, by the way, if you guys tried that green Red Bull, it is so good, and I've tried to get it like the last 3 times, and everywhere I go it's sold out. So yeah, it's like an apple flavor or some shit. Totally random, but hey, I like to kid around. Let's see if I can go get one. But you know, I thought I'd just get out and give a short little video for you guys. I need to head to back soon anyway. I gotta fucking lube my chain. It's a little noisy. And all I can really do is give you an update on the XR80. I can't make the video yet. I did start filming stuff. I got all the pieces. I started refinishing the lever purchase, but I ran into a little bit of a problem with the lever purchase. Apparently one was not advertised as the actual piece because it's not the right one. So I tried using one of the old ones, and I can't use the old one because the new lever is too big for it. So it's not that big of a deal. I just need to get one perch. This is that Red Bull I was telling y'all about. Kiwi apple. It's delicious. In other news, not that you guys need to know this, but I'm going to tell you anyway, the majority of my dental work is done. I got the extractions done, I got the implants lined up for next year. Those are molars, those are all the way in the back. But I got my root canals done. I got my permanent tooth in. I got a temporary one in. I go back in 2 weeks. I go ahead and get another permanent tooth put in. I get some bleach trays, so I have some nice pearly whites. And yeah, $5 later, here I am. Could have had another Supermoto. That's just life, tubers, you know. I let that shit get away from me. But I'm pretty fucking happy about it now. I don't even care that it was $5 now that I can smile and I like the way it looks. I'm happy. Clubhouse action. Here's all the parts for the XR. Voila, everything. But this is the situation that's going on here. These two work great together, and obviously looks good, brand new, just fine. All right, now I bought, jeez, see, fucker gets stuck in there. All right, that's front. Here's the clutch. Bought this, refinished it. Look how wide that is. It's a little bit too wide, and the hole doesn't line up because of this shape here. So I had this one off the bike. I blasted it, but that's a little bit too narrow, and it's bent out a little bit, but the shape is correct. See that? It'll work, but I guess I kind of got to grind some out of there or grind some off the lever. So I don't know what to do. I got to think about it. But we got everything. Alright, you want to see some fucking dogs? Oh yeah. You know what time it is. What's up, Monica? Hey! You still tired? Hey, Mom Mia. Come here. Mama Mia. What's up, baby? What's up, Michael? Mike! It's Mike! What's up, dude? Well, tubers, that's it for today's video, so if you like, you know what to do. If you're new, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.